Okay, good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for IPA, uh, math,
Math,
and
science.
science, right?
Yes.
Yeah, IPA, math, and science. So we just start from the homework of IPA first. Here we
Okay.
have the IPA homework.
Pegangan panci biasanya terbuat dari bahan isolator karena dia tidak menghantarkan panas. Yang kedua,
Okay.
bagian terkecil itu adalah partikel. Yang ketiga, koefisien muai panjang itu menunjukkan seberapa besar benda memuai ketika suhu naik. Jadi ada koefisien muai panjang yang dinilai dari perubahan suhu dikali dengan masanya. Nomor 4, saat dipanaskan partikel dalam zat akan bergerak lebih cepat. Jadi misalnya memanaskan air, si yang dari bawah itu akan naik ke atas karena dia bergerak lebih cepat dan partikelnya menjauh. Logam memuai lebih besar dibandingkan bahan lain karena memiliki koefisien yang besar. Nomor 6, plastik adalah bahan isolator, tidak menghantarkan panas. Zat padat memiliki bentuk tetap karena partikelnya tersusun rapat. Energi yang berpindah dari benda panas itu disebut kalor. Ruang kosong kecil di antara dua benda logam itu disebut celah. Termometer itu digunakan untuk mengukur suhu benda. Jelaskan perbedaan konduktor dan isolator. Itu konduktor adalah alat yang bisa menghantarkan panas dengan baik. Contohnya itu logam. Sedangkan isolator adalah benda yang tidak menghantarkan panas dengan baik atau penghantar panas yang buruk. Contohnya plastik, kayu, dan lain-lain. Mengapa sel kereta api diberi celah? Jadi karena sel kereta api itu bisa langsung terpapar sinar matahari, dia akan panas. Jadi supaya ketika dia panas, dia memuai, dia tidak bertubrukan satu sama lain. Jadi tidak mudah retak gitu, tidak rusak. Jadi nomor 3, jelaskan apa yang terjadi jika semua bahan memiliki koefisien muai panjang yang sama. Jika mereka semua bahan memiliki koefisien muai panjang yang sama, maka kemungkinan mereka akan memuainya dengan waktu yang bersamaan, dan jika suhu di suatu waktu itu sangat ekstrim, maka sama-sama akan rusak benda tersebut. Nomor 4, bagaimana hubungan antara suhu, panas, dan pemuaian. Jadi panas itu adalah suhu yang tinggi. Jadi ketika suhunya naik, maka akan terjadi pemuaian. Nomor 5, mengapa penting memahami koefisien? Ya, jadi supaya kita bisa melakukan teknik bangunan itu dengan tepat. Jadi ketika benda itu terkena panas, dia tidak memuai dan tidak rusak, seperti itu.
Okay. Next we move to math.
Okay, this is about algebraic expression. So you can plus minus the same term, the like terms. So 1 is 7a plus 1. 2 is 8c plus 3. 3 is 7x. 4 is 9y plus 5. 5 is 5p plus 6. 6 is 5m plus 4. 10 is 7a plus 3. 8 is 8b plus 2. 9 is 70x minus 5. 10 is 8b plus 8a plus 7b minus 10.
Okay. Next.
Why do you think algebra is useful in solving real life problems like shopping and traveling? Because algebra gives us the expression with the number, so it can easier for us with the letters, so it can easier for us to make a sum of the things when we shopping or traveling. Number 2, if an expression is written as 5x plus 2y, can you combine them in terms? No, because x and y is different variable. You just can combine the expression with the same variable, 5x with 2x. A student say 2x plus 7 and 7 and plus 2x are different. No, this is same because in plus even you reverse the place, they are still have the same value in addition. Number 4, how would you explain to your friend the differences between algebraic equation and algebraic expression? So algebraic expression, it's like this, 2x plus 7. There is no equal sign, but algebraic equation, you can write 2x plus 7 equals to 10, for example. So the differences is the equal sign. If a number is multiplied by 5 and added by 3 to get 28, how can you find the original number? So you can reverse. So you need to minus plus, 28 minus 3 is 25. Multiplied become divide. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 5 times 5, 25 plus 3, 28.
Yeah, so the original number is 5, right?
Yes.
Okay, next we move to science.
Okay, what is species is a group of similar living things. What is a scientific name used for is to classify, to name the species formally in Latin. What language is used for scientific name is C Latin. What does taxonomics refer to is the grouping living things. B. Why is taxonomy important? Because it helps us to classify living things clearly. B. Diversity is the variety of living things. So many kinds of living things. That's why we need to classify them. Microbes is tiny organism, like tiny living things like fungi, bacteria, and the others. To see the microbes, we need a microscope. To classify means to arrange the things based on the characteristic. Scientific classify living things to, or scientists classify living things based on their characteristic. Number 1, why the scientists use Latin for scientific name? Because Latin is used in another word, so it not make us confused. For example, the scientific name of human is Homo sapiens.
Yeah.
Number 2, why is taxonomy important in study the living things? Because based on the taxonomy, we have classified them into the group, so it can help us easier to understand about the living things.
Okay, next, number 3.
How do scientists decide the two organisms belong to the same species? So it's based on the characteristic, maybe their habitats or uh, their habitats can, or the way they produce, yeah, something like that. And number 4, describe one example of scientific name and what is represent. For example, scientific name of humans is Homo sapiens, and the meaning is wise man. Number 5, why do scientists need to classify living things? Yeah, to help them understand or study about the living things better and easier.
Okay, yeah, I think that is clear for this homework. Now I will open the books here. So here we have the math book. The math will be taken from page 134.
Yeah.
One page, one chapter.
Yes, sir, because review.
Oh, I see.
You just do the project.
Oh yeah. So before we talk about the book, can you explain first about what is the project about that you?
Oh, actually, the project is they make the algebra identities like a plus b square equals to 2a b, like that, sir. So they need to represent what is the algebraic identities.
Okay. So it will be done in the group.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So since this is review, maybe I will open the science first. Science will be taken from 127 and 134. Okay. So we have a basic question here about classify the living things. So this is the basic question. Why is there a need to classify the living
Yeah,
things?
okay, thank you, sir. So for this question, actually, I give them example. If they go to a supermarket, then they want to buy milk, for example. If the store not arrange the things based on their types, if they combine like the milk with clothes, with bag, with all of the stuff, what happened? What are you confused or no? So the students say yes, miss, we will confuse. So uh, that's the goals why the scientists need to classify the living things, because when you classify the things based on their characteristic, it will help you to understand about the living things, because so many kinds of living things, right, sir? So we need to classify them so we can understand their characteristic better, like that, sir.
Okay, so it means to classify the things help us to know the difference between
Yes,
each.
the difference and the similarity.
Yeah, because some animals is looks just the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Miss. I think we just go to the vocabulary list then.
Okay.
Okay, now we move to vocabulary list. We start from science. We have diversity.
Okay, thank you, sir. Diversity is a variety of living things. So in this word, so many kinds of living things. In plants, animals, they can live together, and the species can be different.
Uh, Classify.
So classify is to arrange the things based on their characteristics. So in this lesson, we will classify the diversity, the living things, into the same species.
Species.
Okay, so species is the living things that share the same characteristic, that they can breed each other naturally.
Okay, scientific name.
Yeah, so scientific name is the special formal name that use Latin language. For example, is scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens, that the meaning is wise man.
Okay, taxonomic.
Okay, so taxonomics is the characteristic that help to arrange the diversity. So in this taxonomic, we learn from domain, kingdom, until species.
Okay, so next we move to IPA. First word is conductor.
Oke, konduktor adalah bahan yang menghantar panas dengan baik. Itu contohnya adalah logam. Jadi kalau kita mau menghantarkan panas, kita bisa menggunakan benda-benda yang terbuat dari logam.
Isolator.
Sedangkan isolator adalah bahan yang penghantar panas yang buruk. Dia menghantarkan panasnya tidak baik, atau bisa juga dibilang tidak dapat menghantarkan panas dengan baik. Contohnya itu bahan yang terbuat dari kayu ataupun bisa terbuat dari plastik.
Terisolasi.
Oke, jadi terisolasi itu dia ada terpisah dari sebuah ruangan sehingga tidak ada perpindahan panas ataupun dingin. Contohnya itu seperti di dalam termos. Jadi ketika kita meletakkan makanan seperti sup atau minuman ke dalam termos, dia akan menjaga suhunya tetap sama. Misalnya termos untuk menjaga suhu tetap panas ataupun suhu tetap dingin.
Koefisien muai panjang.
Koefisien muai panjang adalah perubahan panas pada sebuah benda. Jadi ada angka yang bisa kita nilai, yang bisa kita hitung dari rumus delta T dikali dengan masanya itu. Jadi kita bisa melihat biasanya sekitar 0,000 sekian, tapi tetap ada perubahan panjangnya.
Okay. Okay, Miss. I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, sir.